Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, bed liner, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, headlights auto off. Your new ride is just a phone call away.